Hey guys! Today we're going to look at an example of a Paper 1 question. So, which of these statements are true about Essentia's crash course? Pause here and take your time to answer the question. When you're ready to continue, press play. Have you figured out the answer? It's D. All statements are correct. Now let's take a look as to why this is. Statement 1. By default, all of Essentia's tutors are high-achieving IB alumni, active in their teaching fields, be it academically or professionally. This ensures that you have access to tutors who are knowledgeable about the IB and also truly understand and relate to you as an IB student. Since our tutors are active in their teaching fields, they have considerable knowledge and passion for the subjects that they teach. Statement 2. Most IB crash courses are group sessions with a generalized study plan. Now, Essentia's crash course, on the other hand, is a one-on-one, completely tailored course built specifically for you. You are assigned a tutor who works with you, and only you, throughout the duration of the course. They will help you consolidate the material that you struggle with so that you can ace the IB. And did I mention? It's completely online, which means you can do the whole course from the comfort of your own home. Now, let's look at statement 3. In addition to a tailored one-on-one course, Essentia's program provides you with a plethora of tools and additional resources. So as you can see, statement 1, 2, and 3 are all correct. Therefore, Essentia's the answer you're looking for.